Welcome to our 19th graduation ceremony. We're so honored to have all of you here to celebrate all that our students have accomplished this year at Restore.
By being here today, you've already taken the first step to your definition of success. I'm here to tell you that success can only be achieved through passion, dedication, and most of all, hard work.
When someone doubts you or tells you that you cannot do something, prove them wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the class of 2019.